Apple has introduced many useful features into iOS, such as iTunes and iCloud Backup. For Mac, Time Machine is a utility for making backup, preventing from data loss and restoring the entire system. Today, we are going to talk about how to restore your files from Time Machine on Mac and how to restore from Time Machine to a new Mac. Step 1. Make sure that your Time Machine backup disk is connected and turned on. Step 2. Open a window and locate where you stored the lost file originally, and open any version of the file. Step 3. From the Time Machine menu, select Enter Time Machine. Step 4. There are several ways to find the lost file. Timeline on the edge of the screen will show you the items based on backup date and time. On-screen up and down arrows let you jump to the latest time the contents changed. Spacebar allows you to preview a file. Step 5. After finding the lost file, click the Restore button to restore the file from Time Machine. Step 1. After connecting the Time Machine backup drive to your computer, reboot your Mac and press the Command+R keys at the same time to go into the recovery mode. Step 2. Until the Mac OS X Utilities screen pops up, select Restore from Time Machine Backup and press the Continue button. Step 3. Then choose a backup according to the backup time and click the Continue button to start restoring from Time Machine Backup. Step 4. Wait for Time Machine to finish the process. Then your Mac will restart into the restored state. Time Machine is also a useful file transfer when you upgrade to a new Mac computer. It will migrate all your files, settings, and preferences from an old Mac to a new one. Step 1. Plug the backup drive into your old machine. Open System Preferences, hit Time Machine, and then Backup Now to make a backup. Step 2. When it is done, remove the backup drive from the old device and connect it to the new Mac. Then power on the new device. Step 3. Open Migration Assistant by pressing Space plus CMD keys, click Continue, and then select from a Mac, Time Machine Backup, or Startup Disk. Step 4. Hit Continue and pick the latest backup to initiate restoring from Time Machine. You can restore a file or an entire system from Time Machine, but the prerequisite is that you have turned on Time Machine Backup on your computer. A part of users believe the backup would take up the limited storage. Is that means you cannot restore lost files without Time Machine? The answer is no. IcySoft Mac Data Recovery could meet your needs. Download and install IcySoft Mac Data Recovery to your Mac. When you discover some important files disappear, launch the Data Recovery software. Select the data types you want to restore in the first section, and then choose where you save the lost files under the hard disk drives area. Click the Scan button to start looking for lost files on your hard drive. When it finishes, you will be taken to the preview window. You can search for the lost file with the search bar or find them from the type list or path list. For example, to restore a PNG photo, go to Image, PNG from the type list on the left side, and then you can look at the thumbnails of the images and find the desired file. Make sure to select all lost files and click the Recover button to initiate the lost data on Mac without Time Machine backups. According to our testing, it only takes a few minutes to recover hundreds of documents from a computer, but it may depend on your hardware and amount of data recovery. Alright, this video shared several ways to restore from Time Machine. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. See you!